friends, welcome to Bunny's Bites. Today we will be making Jaggery Pongal. This is a sweet recipe that you can eat on festivals or any special occasion. This is a no milk recipe. This is my late grandfather's recipe and people loved it when he made it. Anyone who eats it will definitely want the recipe. I am making it in exactly the same way that my grandfather used to. First, add 1 tablespoon of ghee into a pan on medium flame. In this, add 2 tablespoons of dry chopped coconut. Fry this in the ghee until it turns slightly brown. Then add in 10 grams of raisins. Fry them until they swell before putting them aside in a bowl. In the same ghee, add a quarter cup of chana dal. Fry until the rawness is gone and you can smell it. It has a nice aroma. Then add in 1 cup of rice. You can use white or brown rice, but make sure you've washed it before using it in the recipe. Once they've lost their rawness, pour in 3 cups of water. Stir this for a bit and put the lid on and leave it to boil. After 5 to 10 minutes, the rice should be fluffy and boiled. Put this aside. In the saucepan, add in 1.5 cups of grated jaggery. You can add more depending on your taste. Pour in half a cup of water and stir occasionally. If you don't have jaggery, you can just use brown sugar and still get the same taste. Fun fact, in the olden days, cashews were not common in India, so they used dried coconut pieces. That is what I'm doing. Wait until the jaggery has completely melted and turned into a dark golden color. It should be a stringy consistency like we're showing here. In this, add in the cooked rice and chana dal from earlier. Mix until the rice is fully coated with jaggery. For extra flavor, you can add in ghee here, but I've chosen not to since it's tasty anyway. As a finishing touch, add in roasted coconuts and raisins from earlier and 6 crushed cardamoms. Your Jaggery Pongal is now ready to eat.
Yummy!
Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Bunny's Bites. Write any feedback in the comments below.